Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story about the soil erosion. This story begins with a very tiny soil particle whose name was pod, and he belonged to a fertile soil family. And what's happened? One upon a time, he was supposed rich forest cover and agriculture. But unfortunately, due to the lack of the care from human beings, now he faced the threat of erosion. Let's see what he isn't sure for the pod. Here we can just see once this is the small tiny particle of the soil, but due to the human negligence, this man is cutting off all the trees and all the surrounding trees also. Now this pod, the tiny particle of soil, he was not having his own home, and he was shouting continuously, please, please, please don't cut down the trees. They are our friends and protect us from wind and rain. So these trees are the protector of this soil, and this is the small soil particle. Now what's happened after a few days? That particle, because now he is not having the home, he has been washed away with the wind and came to the open area. Now what's happened here? A lot of cows and the cattle, they were grazing in the fields. Here what's happened? And they were eating the grass. As overgrazing is done, you can see the large amount of cows and buffaloes over here. So they have grazed the all the grass, and what's happened? Again, this pod or the tiny particle of soil is no more home to settle over here, because again once the overgrazing makes the soil unfertile, and the soil wash away or the soil erosions happen. Now now what's happened? After some days, the weather becoming bad, and here I can see the thunder is going to be rain. Now what's happened? It comes the rainy season, and this is the cloud and this is the rain. Now here what's happened? Once it is rain heavily, so all the rainwater wash away to take up the upper soil or the top soil along with because there was no tree. This person has cut down all the forest and all the trees. The soil become barren, and afterwards here overgrazing. What's happened? Again the soil particles come up on the earth crust. And once the rain comes, then what's happened? Once it's rained heavily, this small particle of the soil, whose name is pod, is being washed away and taken away with the water. Now let's see what's happened again. Now just see here, the water gushes right very speedily. And this tiny particle of soil, and along with the other soil, he was just washed away to the another area, and he started crying, please save me, please save me. But nothing will happen. Now what's happened? After some time, once the rain stopped, he reached to the place where a few days on an afternoon. So it was an afternoon, and he reaches to another place. And he was so sad because nobody take care for the soil. Here too, I can see the dust storm coming. So where the soil is, because now the trees are barren, no trees are there. So what's happened? All the land is become barren, that is banjar. And again he was very, very upset and very, very sad. Now what's happened? I don't know where I will go this time. So you can just see he cutting the trees, then after overgrazing, then the rainwater, the water agent, the wind agent take this small dust particle right from his origin to the very different place. Now what's happened? Luckily he reaches to the somebody's field, Bhola's field. There was one farmer whose name was Bhola, and it reaches over there. And there he sees a large area of agriculture, where he see the cows are grazing areas are the another one. The man was using organic manure, and after harvest keep the stalks and to protect from the soil and winds and rains. He had a totally greenery area, and he planted a lot of trees along the boundaries so that there is no soil erosion. And after he used one of his crop, he used to grow another crop, that is rotation of the crop, and mound built to protect the soil from being washed away. And you can just see the mound over here, जिसको कि हम लोग मेड़ बोलते हैं. This has been made so that the water cannot take the soil away from here, and this makes the pot very happy. That is, wow, the Bhola has managed this field so well to protect the soil. So the theme of this chapter, in a cartoonist way, is that the name is the soil erosion. How can we protect the soil erosion, and what's happened to this tiny dust particle, namely pod? So he has told his story, and this story contains the very good message that we should conserve our soil.